Pasó otro documento.
Okay, ready? So good afternoon, everyone. Well, again, we're making new words here. We're allowed, let's go crazy. We're gonna see a lot of silly, stupid examples, but hopefully some good ones that will stick with you. As it says here, go ahead, make up new words, and it's allowing us to go crazy. So let's do it. Okay, the first word here is beauty. And here it's presented beauty as a verb, as you can see. So what do you think is the technique that I'm using here? Could you say it loud?
Functional shift.
Functional shift. That's very good, Diego. Congratulations. I will give you a prize probably at night. So yes, it is functional shift. We're using what is usually used, or what is usually regularly, a noun as a verb, and the meaning is, well, to make something beautiful, or more beautiful, more appealing than it was before. Sorry. The opposite would be unbeauty, to unbeauty something, okay? And it says here in the Northwest States, America, it's commonly used also as unbeauty, okay? So I'm putting here lots of fictional context that would hopefully make sense to you. And here's the visual examples. She was beautied on television on a TV show last night. Okay, so she entered the show looking like that. She was beautied and ended up looking like the person on the left. Okay, our next word is flow. What do you think is the technique that I'm using here?
Acronym.
It's an acronym, yes. The first letter of each word, also called squishy, right? And this acronym, I'm not going to make you guess, it says regardless of
Chicken head.
We're getting tired. We're super tired of saying the entire sentence all the time. She's always losing something. Her cell phone, her keys.
Chicken head.
Her cell phone.
Yeah. It's always something. So we, as her friends, got a little bit tired of saying the entire sentence. Pilar lost it again. Pilar lost something. So we're using instead the word ploa. Okay, there you have the phonetic transcription. And, well, there you have the definition. Now the word is crossing all the borders. The word is probably going to arrive to Chile, and her students are going to say ploa whenever she loses a test or a handout or her own head, as she's doing all the time. Okay. Well, ploa, here you have the professional actress playing Pilar. And this is us reacting to the usual flaw. So this is us saying flaw. Okay. Okay. Here I decided to put the definition first. I can read it to you, and I want to see if you can come up with a word and the technique that I'm using. It refers to the education professional. Any person that works in education, and provides not only knowledge and promotes the acquisition of abilities in his or her students, but also does it providing lots of love and caring for their students. So, what do you think is it's a compound word. I'm telling you in advance. It's a compound word. So, which words do you think I'm blending here? Okay, and
Money.
mother and money. We have the educational side, mother, but how about, sorry, we have the caring, the loving side, mother. But what about the educational side? It's mother and who?
Mothercation.
Okay, sort of. Let's move on. It's mom chair. And what do you think are the words that I'm blending here?
Mother, teacher.
Yes, it's mom and teacher. The male would be that chair, which doesn't exactly apply to Lance, Okay? But we can come up with another example. Of course, the best example I could come up with for Muncher was Miss Annie.
Oh,
Okay?
thank you.
And the final one, well, I already have the 3 words, and this is an extra bonus track. The first word, when Miss Annie told us about creating these new words, the first word that I thought of was one that already existed, but I wasn't really willing to give that one up so easily. So, okay, it's a functional chip, and the word that I thought of was quarter. Quarter, not as a noun, but as a verb, okay? So I thought, quarter, okay. I'm going to look up for the word just to see if it exists, and it already existed as a verb. And it's simply to divide something into 4 parts. The cake, for example. You can divide a cake in 4, and you're quartering the cake. So that was a bummer, I could not use it. But I decided, no, I'm not gonna let that one go. So I decided to add a prefix to the word, okay? And I went with failing in converting a dollar into quarters by using the vending machine, which is something that we do. We put sometimes dollars, expecting quarters to wash our clothes, and we receive dimes or coins that will not be very useful. We probably will take back to Chile to give to our students. So the word will be misquarter as a verb. Okay, that's a phonetic transcription, and well, I guess that is it. There you have the examples, and there you have our reactions whenever we don't get the quarters we need. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and thank you for your time.